Hello and a warm welcome from the headquarters from ARGO-HYTOS from Switzerland. My name is Christopher Schütz. I am the Global Sales Manager for Condition Monitoring, and today I would like to present you the Portable Oil Lab, which is our service device and is the perfect device for service guys and maintenance guys. Before I show you the technical features of the device, I would like to give you an overview about the technical things what we have there inside. For counting the particles, we have the particle monitor ARGO-HYTOS here inside, and the particle monitor can measuring particle sizes from 4 micron, 6 micron, 14 and 21 micron, and we can also display the particle contamination and different standards on the display of the device. So we can show you the particle contamination in ISO, NAS, GOST and SAE. Additional to the ARGO-HYTOS, we also have the LoopCos H2O+, our condition sensor inside. With this sensor, we can measure relative humidity, the temperature, and we can also give you a feedback if there is a mixture between two different types of oil in your application, and this is unique on the market. Let's have a look on the device so that I can explain you the technical functions a little bit more in detail. So what you can see here, we have the display with buttons. So we have only buttons and no touch screen, because if you have some oil on your fingers, you can better touch the buttons as using a touch screen. I think everybody knows that. Inside of the Portable Oil Lab, we also have a battery. And with that battery, we can do measurements with the pump in the pump mode more than 7 hours. So it's a really strong battery. And we also have an internal pump. The internal pump is also so strong enough that we can measuring viscosity ranges up to 400 centistoke. So also gearbox oil is not really a problem for us. Here inside of the Portable Oil Lab, we have an internal storage. Means we have space for more than 600 values. We save the values with date and time, and then you can also transfer the values from the internal storage to your PC. And for doing that, you have two options which I would like to show you now. The first option is that you can use an SD card here, and then you can copy over the buttons, you can copy the internal storage on your SD card, and then you can go to your PC and download the values from the SD card. You will get the values in a CSV file. If you have no SD card and you would like to connect the Portable Oil Lab directly to your PC, you also have the option to put a cable here and to connect directly to the PC. And then you can also transfer the values over to your PC and use the CSV file. If you are at your end customer and you make a measurement there, and the end customer do not believe the measurement, then you can also print out the values with the internal printer, and then you can directly show the values black and white to your end customer. For connecting the device to your application, you have two different options. The first option is that you can use the internal pump. And with the then you can go to your tank, then you can suck the oil out of the tank and doing the measurement. The second option is that you can go directly to a high pressure, up to 320 bar, and then you can also do the measurement over the high pressure mode. Important is that you always connect, doesn't matter if you use pump mode or high pressure mode, that you connect the return line, which going back into the tank or going into an oil sample. Coming again to the key facts of our device. We deliver directly with the battery. We deliver directly with the internal pump. We deliver directly with the high pressure adapter. We have a condition sensor inside, which also show you mixtures between different types of oil. And therefore, we offering directly the high-end solution for service guys and maintenance guys. And I think with this device, the work of these two peoples will be much more easier. If you have more questions or more deeper technical questions, do not hesitate to contact me or to contact your sale office in your area directly for the Portable Oil Lab. At the end of that presentation, I would like to say thank you to you for watching that video. I hope you have got a good overview about our device. And if you have some more questions or some deeper technical questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. And I wish you a very nice day and bye.